Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my huge giant couponing haul for the week of May the 10th through the 16th, 2024. Lots of deals. I will have the breakdown in the description box below, as well as any links I may mention. So let's go ahead and just jump into the deals. There are a lot to talk about. If I'm talking too fast, slow me down on the playback speed. It's just a lot to get through. So let's go ahead and do it. So the eggs, so I did go to a different giant that has a better selection, and they're actually cheaper prices. So I don't like it as much, but I may start shopping there. They're $2.16 at my store. They're like $2.70. It's ridiculous. But anyway, if you redeem 100 choice points, you get $1.50 off eggs. It's a repeat thing. They've been doing the same thing for like 6 weeks. Anyway, in store you pay 66 cents, but I did use 100 choice points, so I paid $1.66 for eggs. The bread is $1.39. If you use 75 choice points, it makes it free, but you still paid 75 cents for it. But I'm gonna be making a breakfast casserole and needed this. The Chobani, it's on sale for $1, but I had like a free coupon that they had mailed me, and then 75 cents. It doubles to just make those completely free. Contact them every 30 days. They mail you really great coupons. The Wonder Hawaiian rolls are $2.99. The Savory magazine had a $1 off coupon on any Wonder product. Ibotta's giving back 75 cents on the Hawaiian specifically, making it $1.24. The Sprite, now it does say Sprite chill, but it's actually working on any of the Sprite, just the single serves. Those are found up by the registers in the little coolers. 5-point freebie, it's completely free. And then I did find this at the new store that I went to, the Bubbly burst. They had like a whole display of them, $1.25 for the 5-point freebie. That was last week. I forgot to say Ibotta does have 30 cents back on that, so it makes it a small money maker. I hit my weekend bonus, and then I'm working towards this other large bonus. I have until June to do that one. Cracker Barrel, $1.99 with the in-ad coupon, limit of 1. I purchased these string cheese because I had a 50 choice points back when you buy new one. That was a personalized deal, so I paid $2.50 for that. They're just handy to have, especially if we're doing picnics or on-the-go things. The Eggo deal is 2 for $5 on the waffles, and then you get a box of pancakes free. If you go to the Kellanova website, you can print $1 off of 2 printables on the Eggos. It makes it a total cost of $4 or $1.33 each. That is a super easy, cheap breakfast, so I went ahead and grabbed that deal. Keep in mind, you're going to want to have freezer space this week if you're going to grab the Eggo and all the sweet treats over there, frozen products. This is a product from my husband. They're $2.79. I finally found these. This Ibotta rebate has been around for a while, and now it reset for $2. They're $2.79. Ibotta's giving back $2, a limit of 2, 79 cents each. Those will go in his Father's Day gift. Now this deal, it's Pop-Tarts and Nutrigrain products. They're 3 for $6 when you buy 3. So you have to buy increments of 3. So I did 6 of them to take advantage of the different coupons and rebates we have. So Ibotta is giving back $1 on these Powerfuls. Now, I did have to correct the receipt, so I'm waiting for that to go through. I'm always constantly on Ibotta if they don't accept what I did. What I always do, guys, just a little pro tip here, submit your receipt to Ibotta, let it go through with everything it picks out, and then resubmit a new receipt if you're going to correct it and choose things that they missed, because if not, sometimes your receipt, your money is in limbo for days and it just takes a long time. So I just resubmit and correct it on anything I didn't get. So anyway, $4 back there. 50-cent printables on Nutrigrain over on the Kellanova website. Now I didn't see, but one of these boxes has a peeling on, and the others, you can tell another couponer went and snagged those. So I should have used that one. I didn't even see that when I put it in the cart. You can definitely have an even better deal if you can find all the boxes with those pealies on it. And then I grabbed the Pop-Tarts because we have $1 off of 2 digital coupons. So for all 6 of those products, I paid $5 or only 83 cents each. So that is a really quick and easy breakfast deal and snack deal. Okay, let's talk about the baby. So we have spend 15, save $5. This box of Luvs, now I grabbed size 3. It should work on anything. Let's see if I can find the thing. It's like 104 diapers. So they are $18.29, part of the spend 15, save 5, which I don't know if that was intentional or not. The $5 digital coupon came off, and then $4 back on Ibotta. So for this box of diapers, I paid $4.29. Now Luvs, they're not my favorite, definitely not. But at $4.29 for 100 diapers, yeah, I will use those. And then the Beechnut, I grabbed 12 of them. I grabbed 4 of the breakfast kind, and then I grabbed a bunch of veggie and fruit. So I grabbed 8 of the other. Now we have $1 back on 8 on Ibotta and $1 back on 4 on Ibotta. And also on Fetch, there's 2,000 points, which is equal to $2 when you spend 10. There's also another offer for 1,000 points when you buy 2 of these breakfast kinds. So I corrected my receipt. I'm hoping I get back an additional $1 there. But if I don't, it's $6.48 or only 54 cents each. And I will contact Fetch about that to get that additional $1 back. But I know some people don't like jumping through hoops, but I don't mind when it's dealing with money. Okay, so Nature Valley. These are the 2 items that I picked out. I told you guys last week about those rebate forms. It's all online. You don't need those coupon papers. I just took pictures of them, posted on my Instagram, so you can really look at them if you want. And I also have the links. I'll try to remember to link those down below, as well as the Kellogg's website for the printables. The direct links to submit your rebates for. So you got to have PayPal or Venmo, and they will send it to there. I don't know if it's going to go off of the shelf price or if it'll go off the sale price. I'll just have to wait and see on that. I did not get it back yet, but I did just do it like a couple hours ago, and it did say up to 8 weeks, which is kind of crazy. Anyway, Ibotta gave me back 50 cents on each of these because I had granola soft bar rebate or something unlocked. I don't know, but I wasn't expecting that. So that was at least $1 moneymaker. It could actually be more if they give me shelf price instead of the sale price, but I don't know. I also think I had 50 cents off of 2 digital. So I don't think I calculated that in there. So it's a moneymaker either way you look at it. The Pillsbury are 3 for $10. This is a lot of coupons. We have $1.50 off 3 digital. I had 2 of those. Ibotta gave me back $1.50 on 3, and then Shop Me and will give me back $1.50 on 3, making it $4 or $1.33 each. I may try also to submit my receipt to Swagbucks and see if they accept that as well. Last week when I did Swagbucks and Shop Me, it was being a little weird and would reject some of the things that I sent. So this is a meal deal. You buy the strawberries at $5.99. You get a pancake syrup and a pancake mix for free. Now, the free pancake mix, it's $2.29, but it's taking off $2.99, and that shows up at the bottom of your receipt. So that's a 70-cent additional savings there. Now, I also had $1 Catalina on this pearl milling. I got that like 2 weeks ago. So I used that as well. So I paid $4.29 or only $1.43. It's still a really great deal. If you don't have that $1 off coupon, it's still a great deal. These strawberries smell absolutely amazing. Now, the last deal I did was on the frozen. Spend $20, save $10, and they're on sale, and we have digital coupons. Now, I split this up in 2 separate transactions because online, when I was trying to do spend 40, save 20, it was not working right. It was calculating the digital coupons. So I wanted to make sure that I was getting it off without having to deal with customer service. So I did the whole fruit in one transaction and all those other treats in the other. So the whole fruit, you grab 5 of them at $4 a piece. That's $20 on the nose. We have $1 off of 2 digital that was available to clip several weeks ago. Some of you guys sometimes ask me, it's not in there. And if you didn't clip it when it was available, it's too late. So maybe make a habit of clipping coupons once or twice a week. That way they're there if you need them. Ibotta is giving back $1 per box. Makes it a cost of $4 for 5 boxes of whole fruit, or only 80 cents each. These are so yummy. The strawberry are amazing. Now this last deal, I grabbed 2 boxes of the slush puppy pops at $4, 1 of these tillamook ice creams at $5, and 2 of these good humor bars at $3.99. We have a 2 off of 2 on the good humor. Makes it a total cost of $8.98 for all 5 of these really yummy products, or only $1.80 each. My husband and kids are gonna love me for this deal. All right, guys, so that is it for today. The only thing I didn't grab was the shrimp. I'm probably gonna go back on Sunday. My husband probably won't have a chance to eat that until Sunday night anyway, so I'm gonna grab him that then. But it's a really good deal. It's $5 a pound for the already cooked shrimp. And one of you guys also mentioned the crab legs. I don't buy crab legs. I just don't like them. My husband don't like to do with those either. But anyway, I feel like it's a great price if you like that. So that's all the deals I'm grabbing this week at Giant. If you have any other deals, go ahead and let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.